How to add preferred department in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add them. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now on the top, you can see a profile name. Simply tap on your profile name. Now simply tap on it again. So we're in this account settings. Now on the top, you can see clothes and shoes. Simply tap on it. Now this is the section about you. So this is the place where you can customize whatever you need and what are the criterias that you need. So simply tap on preferred department and tap on add. Here you can add what shopping that you want to do, and here you can even select men or woman. So here simply tap on save and you're done. So this is how you change the department. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.